Name two scales used to measure the intensity of an earthquake.
Number 1, the Rossi-Forel scale. Number 2, the Mercalli scale.
An earthquake is a sudden and violent shaking of the ground, sometimes causing great destruction as a result of the movements within the Earth's crust or volcanic action. Causes of earthquakes include
collision between tectonic plates, faulting or cracking of rocks, movement of magma within the crust and volcanic eruption, adjustment of rocks as a result of stress, for example, caused by folding, isostatic adjustment, excessive energy released within the mantle which is explosive, gravitative pressure, explosions caused by man.
tectonic movement. This particularly happens when the continental plate collides against the oceanic plate.
Number 2, volcanic activity. Earthquakes may also be caused by the movement of lava beneath the surface of the earth during volcanic activity.
3. Dislocation of the Earth's crust. Earthquakes may be caused by the dislocation of the crust beneath the surface of the earth.
Adjustment in inner rock beds. Earthquakes are also caused where there is an adjustment between sigma, that is, beneath the ocean, is formed by silica and magnesium.
Pressure of gases in the interior. The expansion and contraction of gases in the interior of the earth sometimes can cause a sudden shake on the earth's surface.
Other causes. Number 1, landslides and avalanches. Number 2, denudation of the land masses and deposition of materials. Number 3, faulting and folding in the rock beds are responsible for causing minor earthquakes.
Effects of earthquake. Destructive earthquakes. 1. Earthquakes causes dismantling of buildings, bridges and other structures at or near epicenter.
Number 2, rails are folded, underground wires broken, fire breaks out inevitably in large towns.
3. Earthquakes originate sea waves called tsunamis.
4. Earthquakes result in the formation of cracks and fissures on the ground formation.
5. The earthquakes cause landslides and disturb the isostatic equilibrium.
Landslide due to earthquake may block valleys to form lakes.
Constructive effects. 1. Sometimes the earthquakes cause formation of hot springs which are very useful to people.
Number 2, the earthquakes sometimes cause submergence in coastal land and result in the formation of inlets, bays, and gulfs, which help to develop of fishing and shipping, etc.
Sometimes the earthquakes can cause emergence of coasts and bring fertile shore out of water to give chance to develop crop production.
Number 4, collapsing or cracking of buildings.
Number 5, loss of life.
Number 6, disruption of transport and communication lines.
Seismologists use two main devices to measure an earthquake. 1, seismograph and a seismoscope.
The seismograph is an instrument that measures seismic waves caused by an earthquake.
The seismograph has three main devices: the Richter magnitude scale, the modified Mercalli intensity scale, and the moment magnitude scale.
A way to measure the strength of an earthquake is to use the Mercalli scale, invented by Giuseppe Mercalli in 1902. This scale uses the observation of the people who experienced the earthquake to estimate its intensity.
The Richter scale is an absolute scale. Wherever an earthquake is recorded, it will measure the same on the Richter scale.
Second, the modified Mercalli scale measures how people feel and react to the shaking of an earthquake.
We proceed to the next question.